There's some very exciting stuff that goes on here in Oconto. Our R&D department develops better solutions for existing products as well as new product lines. We then build prototypes in-house and thoroughly test the new solutions. We test run them to identify any needed improvements. We want to identify any weaknesses during testing so it doesn't fail when we build them for our customers. We test and test and test. Sometimes prototypes run for years. We take raw material, raw steel, raw bar, we saw it, we route it, we laser it into shapes, and then we deburr, drill, tap, weld, form, and powder paint mild steel components. With our in-house fabrication and machine shop, we can even make spare parts and get them to you the very next day. We take pride in how fast we can get finished products through our shop.
And then we put it all together and we run our customer's product through the system. We want it to work perfectly before it ships. We recommend Nercon Transport to all our clients as their best assurance that your equipment arrives on time and in the best possible condition. And our job doesn't just stop when the equipment arrives on the dock. We also provide installation supervision, startup and commissioning services, and operator training. These services will assure that the equipment is ready to run when you are.